I am not a worthless person. Do my graduation in Ayurvedic medicine and I did post graduation also, MD.
Hello doctors, today's video is about trans doctor of India who are doing so good in their field and who are making their community proud. So when it comes to the trans people, the basic health facility is lacking a lot in India, and in this situation like COVID or post-COVID, these kind of barriers are so much exaggerated. When you guys will take your degree, you will be working in a hospital environment, then you will realize how much the health structure is lacking, especially for the trans people. Trans people are even not getting the basic health facilities which they need. For an example, gender reformation surgeries and therapies, psychological counseling, specialized healthcare, and so much more. I would like to tell you about Dr. Priya VS. She is the first trans Ayurvedic doctor of India, and she is the first trans doctor of Kerala, one of the first trans doctor of India. And this is a small video about Dr. Priya VS in which she is telling you something about herself and her struggle. Please watch the video till the end. Thank you, and let's continue.
I am not a worthless person. I am also a worthy. I am also a normal individual like everybody else around me. And I started working for that. I wanted to be more empowered. I empowered myself with education, and I was able to do my graduation in Ayurvedic medicine and I did post graduation also, MD. And I started practicing, and I had 4 to 5 years of clinical practice and experience and 1 year of teaching experience being a guest lecturer in many government colleges. And this changed the attitude, how society look upon me. I gained respect. My words were more powerful than that helpless child. I think the society is changing in a positive sense, because I do find many instances for that. We have transgender journalists, we have transgender entrepreneurs, we have transgender IT professionals. We find queer people or trans people in almost all scenarios of life, and I'm very happy to accept this fact that our community is changing in a positive note.
So friends, that was all about Dr. Priya VS. And I think you should subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet, because that is the best way to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a nice shift and have a nice day.